battery died yesterday. Worked on it, I don't know how much longer. But I haven't taken any measurements yet. I probably need to manually dig over here a little more, get that to 14 inches. I think that was the number I was looking for. Still haven't measured anything. The box blade did a better job grabbing once I got that top layer of dirt off. Probably because it became a little more clayey. You can see here I'm getting into the mineral soil, I guess. It's clay with rocks in it. So that is the stuff that I don't want to add this to my topsoil pile. But this stuff, where it's dirt and I still got grass growing in it, that needs to go into that pile over there. So I got a little better at it while I was going, consolidating some of it. But still have more to do. I am surprised. I might have to dig that one out manually. I am surprised at how large the dirt pile is for as little as I feel like I got out of here, which informs me I'm going to need a lot of dirt to level this out. Remember, the foundation, the floor, will be, to the top of the batter boards. So it means I need that much dirt, which is a big pile of dirt, and that fills this whole area. Dirt ain't cheap, so it's another expensive thing. I don't really have areas I want to borrow from out here. I don't have a lot of cleared ground, and anything I take off is just going to lower stuff. And at some point we're hoping to build a bigger house up in here, but who knows? Who knows when that will be? So next steps, which I'll roll over into another video next time I get a chance to work out here. I'll just continue scraping. That'll be day 2. Yeah, no other big developments here. Yikes, chickens going crazy, birds in the woods going crazy. I tried to give myself a ramp so it was easier to get up here and dump it over the edge. Kids were having a heck of a time. Lots of yellow jackets today. Kids were having a heck of a time jumping off of here, throwing the dog off of here. Yeah, this is all topsoil, I think. I'm not a geologist, so hopefully that'll make it easy to bring some of this grass back, because we are going to have to excavate around the edge to give it the contour we need for drainage, because any water coming from here come right into the corner of the house. I don't want that, so probably slope that down a little bit and give me, kind of a lowered area through here. Though I do want to put a porch here too, so maybe I'll do that a little further out. Porch isn't on the plans. It's not technically the plan yet, but alright, that's it. Hopefully it won't be long before I post another video.